Hi guys, it's Caroline with Happier Helmets. Today we are going to be painting an A&M Aggies helmet for a little boy. So go ahead and follow along. I do have a video that explains the prep process before we get started. And then also I have a video about the sealing process. So if you're interested in either of those, I will put them in the description box below and you can check those out. I also have some other paint with me helmets. So if you want to watch some other ones and get some other ideas, or check out my Facebook page at facebook.com/happierhelmets. You can find me there as well and some more of the work that I've done. So follow along and watch this helmet right here get transformed for a little Aggie. Thank you. Have a great day. Hey guys, so you will notice that my helmet was not completely done before I started doing the Mod Podge, right? So anytime I have any detail that I want to be crisp and clean, any kind of writing that I'm going to do with a paint pen, or in this case the outlining and the letters, I like to put one layer of Mod Podge over the background color before I start doing the paint pen. What that does is it helps the paint pen glide a little bit easier, and if you're using white on top of a dark color, sometimes the dark color would bleed into the white ink or into the white paint from the paint pen and make it kind of a little bit muddy. It just muddies up the color and it's not as crisp. So if you are going to do some bright detailing or outlining or wording, you might want to put one layer of Mod Podge first before you do all that. So you'll see what I mean. It's still drying, but it's pretty rough. And I went ahead and did the first coat so that I can do all of the outlining and fix the letters on a clean, smooth surface. So there you go. Hope that tip helps.